Hello, welcome to the Laser and Photonics Technology program at Central Carolina Community College. We're trying to enlist students to join the program. I look to my companies, who they're hiring. They are very interested in hiring students that are serious about making a difference in the world. Health industries, defense, energy industries, that's where lasers are used, and they need engineers and technicians to solve the world's problems in these areas. The program here teaches you a lot about electronics and photonics lasers. We have state-of-the-art equipment in the electronics field. We have state-of-the-art equipment in lasers, high-energy laser labs. You'll get a lot of hands-on playing with lasers. You'll get all the support you need. We will be with you there all the way, helping you learn this, and we'll put you into a situation where companies will be fighting to hire you. And salary ranges this year were between $40,000 and $75,000 offers. So it's a good field. So if you love problem solving, think you want to play with lasers, please reach out to me.